ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa has stoked tensions within the ruling party after openly taking aim at what is described as self-centered ambitions. Remarks widely seen as a veiled attack on Vice President Chiwenga amid intensifying factional battles over President Emmerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his rule to 2030. Saramida mashoko kubuda panguva ino Mutsvangwa panguva ine achiwedzera mavanga nemaronda kuna general. Remember, subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipinda panapa the party is set to use its forthcoming annual conference in Mutare next week to officially endorse Mnangagwa's continued leadership, effectively shutting out Chiwenga's succession ambitions and consolidating the presidency control over both the party and the state. The endorsement marks a pivotal moment in ZANU-PF's internal politics and follows last year's controversial resolution to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond the constitutionally implied two-term limit, a decision that has deepened divisions between the two power centers in the party. Party insiders say factional hostilities have reached to new levels, with tempers flaring during recent political meeting. In one meeting last month, Chiwenga reportedly presented a dossier accusing Mnangagwa's close allies of grand corruption, a move that further exposed the widening rift between the former coup allies. Observers say Mutsvangwa's comments were a thinly veiled jab at Chiwenga's camp, which has been quietly mobilizing support ahead of the 2027 elective Congress. Mutsvangwa said the next week's Mutare conference would demonstrate ZANU-PF's unity and silence what he called factional noise, amplified by social media and opposition voices. The cacophony of social media trolling has no resonance in the closed membership of the organs, provinces, and structures of ZANU-PF, he added, describing critics as detractors, regime change practitioners, and agents of political destabilization. Nomashkarubuda panguva ino ichogwanana Mutsvangwa achiti aiwa panguva ino tichaenda the conference murunyararo and panguva ino tichatonoendoswa kuti mutungamiri wenyika ngaramba achiendera mberi nedevelopment yaari kuita nenyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pema-thinly veiled attacks kuna VP Chiwenga. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.